All right, stay tuned for Soundstream's brand new HD Vision backup camera. All right, today we just got in the brand new Soundstream HD Vision backup cameras. We're going to open up the box, show you what all is inside of it, and then we'll do an install video a little bit later on, show you how it works and how to hook it up. First, it's going to come with your two lights. This is going to be for the 2010 to 2023 Harley Touring models, any bike that has the little pop-in socket turn signals. You're just going to remove the cap and your existing filament bulb, and this is going to go right into its place. You have one side that has the backup camera in it. You have the other side that looks like there's a camera, but nothing there. These are full LED and work with turn signal and brakes. Once you've got it all installed with the little sockets here, these will actually just pop right in. They get the power for the camera right off of the light socket. Digging in deeper for the receiver, you will have no wires going from the back of your bike to the front of the bike because Soundstream did something awesome. This receiver goes right up inside of your fairing, and it's completely waterproof in case you get any water incursion up inside the fairing. Really simple hookup. This goes to your accessory plug that's already in the fairing. This goes to the backup camera RCA that's on any of your Soundstream radios. And here you have an RF antenna that's going to get the signal from the RF frequencies that come from the turn signal backup cameras. It really is going to be that easy for you to have a backup camera on your bike. If you've got long pipes, if your bike's super low, you got low bags, whatever, especially if you're wearing a full face helmet, any of the trike guys that want to convert over to this style of light, you hit a button on your radio and all of a sudden you can see how close you're coming to the curb. I can't wait to get one of these installed. Order your Soundstream HD Vision today. Go to Lifestyle Cycles online megastore and get free shipping on this product.
Whoa, wait! Don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.